Uvandi wa irio cia Kimerera kaunti ya Muranga na Kiambu ni wambiririe makinyivanyivia wa kuvanda majani na koa. Murugamiri wa muvango uyu wa kampuni ya Participatory Ecological Land Jeff Kahuho ni aratariria wabici yao kuria iri na ni bururi wa Uganda uria mathomithitie andu uria irio cia Kimerera uria ivandagwa na uria mangigia thoko na uvandi wa miti.
We are a chapter of 12 members. Peram is a network in East Central Southern Africa in 12 countries. Our regional desk is currently based in Uganda, Kampala. So at the moment, while practicing agroecology, we are calling for members to practice agroecology because agroecology is promotion of environmentally friendly technologies in agriculture, which actually produces health food. The members have been trained. They have been trained on organic farming, the issue of marketing, the issue of tree planting.
Mwekari wa itura ria kuu ni araria na gikeno tondu muvango uyu wa uvandi wa irio no ramateithia tondu ciana irathi cukuru na matirathinika na kugura irio.
Tunafurahi kwa sababu hata watoto wetu hawakai nyumbani, kwa sababu nikiingia kwa shamba boga siendi kwa soko, nina bibi anaenda anachukua kwa shamba kila kitu isipokuwa kama ni mafuta tu anaendea huko kwa duka.
Samuel Maina uria ni murimi ni arauga uria majani nimo mavandaga muno na uvuvu wa githomo giki nimavotete kuvanda nginya makondovia.
Tea is our cash crop, depending on it wholly. Thereafter, when things get worse, the inflation is there. There is a lot of changes on the country on economic rates. We decided to change the crop that we were using to depend on, that is tea. We were trained on how to plant other crops on line with tea. And one of the crops, we can say the fruit crops, that is avocado.
Ngirivotera Muthingi TV, mbitawa Mwende wa Mbere.
Ningatho Mwende wa Mbere na tukirongoria ciĩgiĩ rũhonge rwa ũcindani nĩ atĩ